There are many ways to share your ideas with a digital presentation. You can invite other people, like your team members or another organization, to collaborate on the presentation with you. You might present your slides while giving a talk at a conference or meeting. You can print your slides so that your audience can follow along with your talk or refer to it later. You can publish your presentation to the web using Google Slides, or you can save the project as a PDF for users who are using other applications. In this video, you will share your presentation with collaborators, audience members, and other viewers who can refer to your presentations later. To start, share your presentation with the team member. Add their email address, and select the permission you want to use. Edit means the person you share with can make changes directly in your presentation. Comment allows them to make comments but not change the presentation. And View lets them see your presentation only. Your team member will receive an email with the link to your presentation. If they have editing access, they can make changes, which will automatically update the presentation. Once you and your collaborators are done working on your slides, give your presentation in front of a live audience. To show your slides to the audience, use Presenter View. Presenter View allows you to project your slides, animations, and transitions to your audience, but only you can see your speaker notes on the computer. You can also print your slides and notes to follow as you give your presentation. If you would like to provide handouts for your audience, you can print multiple slides on one page. Select Handout and choose how many slides to print. To print your notes and an image of the slide, select one slide with notes. You can also hide the background when you print your slides. This uses less ink and simplifies your slides to only the primary text and images. Select Print to send the slides to your printer. Finally, publish your presentation to the web. This will allow you to share it with the others as a final slideshow, the way the audience would see it if you were giving the presentation. The people who see your published presentation will not see your speaker notes or be able to edit your slides. First, link your presentation. When you link to your presentation, it will play in full screen mode. Your viewers will see the entire slide on their entire screen. The presentation will move through the slides automatically. Decide how long each slide should appear before it transitions to the next slide. You can also arrange for the presentation to begin as soon as the viewer opens the link. And you can play the presentation on a loop. Select Publish to find a link you can send to others. If you want your presentation to play on the website, embed the slides. First, choose a display size. This is the size that your slide will display on the site where it is embedded. Choose the speed at which slides will advance and determine your playback settings. Select Publish to create a new code you can use to embed your presentation. Paste this code on your website to show off your slideshow. Move on to the next video to wrap up this lesson. Now, it's your turn. Share your presentation with a collaborator, practice giving your presentation with Presenter View, print your slides, and publish the presentation to the web.